I am Protodeacon Andrei Psarev. This is the second lecture from the 10-unit class on the history of the Russian Orthodox Church. In the previous lecture, we talked about Byzantine Russian synthesis, the baptism of Rus, also about grand strategy of Byzantium that you read about, that was part of the taming, basically adopting neighborhood nations through the mixture of diplomacy and the missionary, right? So the Kievan Rus thus became an Orthodox, Eastern Orthodox nation, and therefore the whole development of Christendom connected with the Kievan Rus, Christendom in Russia. Now, we will be talking today about the church in Western Russia, which is modern-day Ukraine, partially Poland, Belarus, and Russia itself. So, when we talk about the Kievan Christianity, we talk about the 10th, the time from the 10th and until the 13th century. So in the 13th century, the Kievan Rus was invaded by the Mongols. The Kiev was destroyed and reduced to the number of about 100, few hundred courtyards. At the same time, the 13th century marked formation of the new nation composed of various Baltic tribes that became now known as Lithuania. So this Lithuanian nation was pagan, and it was sensible for Russian princes bordering Lithuania to join this new development. So thus Lithuania started to obtain educated people who were Russian Orthodox, and at the same time the question arose whether Lithuanians should become Christians. But it also was a question what persuasion of their Christianity should be. Should they be Roman Catholics from the Poles, or Roman Catholics from the Teutonic Knights, who in the 12th century settled in Riga, or they should be Russian Orthodox. So this wavering lasted until the 14th century, when a Lithuanian prince Witold married the Polish single queen Jadwiga. Thus they set up the new state, the new entity that received the name the Polish-Lithuanian Commonwealth, or based on the corrupted Latin word Rex Pospolita, Rex Pospolitorum. So thus Lithuania became Roman Catholic and barely could tolerate Eastern Orthodox Christianity, and with hindsight of time, the Eastern Orthodox Christians became second-class citizens. So, and this process resulted in 1596 with the Union of Brest, which signified appearance of the new church, which is today known as Greek Catholic. But what is important is that church in Western Russia remained under ecumenical patriarchate, and after the collapse of Constantinople in 1453, when the church in Russia became independent, the church in Ukraine and the Polish-Lithuanian Commonwealth remained under Constantinople. So after the destruction of Kiev by the Mongols, masses of population moved also eastward, and this signified development of Muscovite Rus, and also division, appearance of new entity, of new phenomenon, which became known as Muscovite Rus versus Kievan Rus, which we've been talking about. And also from here is this division that might explain what is happening now in Western, the former Western Russian lands. Thank you.